Hello everyone, I am Darshanev, studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering in the Department of Basic Science. Today's subject is Introduction to Python Programming and the subject code is BPLCK205B. My today's topic is Exceptional Handling. What is exceptional handling? Exceptional handling is crucial aspect of programming that allows for graceful error handling and prevents application crashes. This presentation will cover best practices and strategies for mastering exceptions handling in various programming languages. Now let us understand what are exceptions. An exception is an event that disturbs the normal flow of a program. It can be caused by errors in code such as dividing by zero or accessing a null object. Understanding the type of exceptions and their causes is essential for effective exceptional handling. Exceptional handling. Try-catch blocks. Using try-catch blocks allows developers to catch and handle exceptions gracefully. The try block contains the code that may throw an exception, while the catch block handles the exception by providing an appropriate response. These try-catch block methods can be used as one of the methods to handle exceptions. Throwing exceptions. Developer can throw custom exceptions to indicate specific error conditions. This allows for customizing error and providing additional context for handling exceptions effectively. The throwing exception concept says that the developer can customize or can show a specific error conditions and which also help in customizing errors messages and providing additional context for handling exceptions effectively. Handling multiple exceptions. In complex applications, it's common to encounter multiple types of exceptions. Utilizing in complex applications, it's common to encounter multiple types of exceptions. Utilizing catch blocks or multi-catch statements enable handling different types of exceptions with specific error handling logic. Resource management. Exception handling is crucial for resource management such as closing files, database connects, or network sockets. Using finally block ensures that resources are properly released even in the presence of exceptions. Best practices. Adhering to the best practices such as logging exceptions, providing meaningful error messages, and avoiding empty catch blocks is essential for effective exception handling. Following these practices enhances debug and maintainability of code. Testing exception handling. Thoroughly the testing exception handling scenarios is crucial to ensure that the application behaves as accepted in the presence of exceptions. Unit test and interrogation test should cover various exception scenarios to validate the robustness of exceptional handling logic. Real world example. Real world examples of effective exception handling in popular programming languages, frameworks, and libraries can provide valuable insights into best practices and strategies. Studying these examples can enhance developer proficiency in exceptional handling. Real world examples of effective handling in popular programming language. Studying these examples can enhance developers' proficiency in exceptional handling. Program and exceptional handling. Try print undefined variable except namer. Print this variable is not defined and the output is the variable is not defined. Else clause of exceptional handling. And here is another program that have been executed to show the exception handling. Def divide numbers a comma b, try result a by b, return result, Accept zero division error. Print error. Division by zero is not allowed. Return none. Accept type error. Print error. Please provide valid numerical input. Return none. Number in is equals to input. Enter the first number. Number two is equals to input. Enter the second number. Try number one is equals to float of number one. Num two is equals to float of number two. Result is equals to divide number one comma. If result is not null, print result of division comma result. Accept value error. Print error, please enter the value numeric, and the output is enter the first number 9, enter the second number 5. Result of the division is 1.8. Conclusion. Mastering exception handling is essential for developing robust and reliable software applications. By understanding the principles, best practices, and real world examples, developer can enhance their ability to handle exceptions effectively and ensure stability of their code.